These days, cybercriminals seem to be coming at us from every angle. From malware to phishing attacks to the dark web, it's nearly impossible to keep up with every security exploit out there. That's why I'm pleased to introduce our small business and enterprise customers to the official Cyber Survival Kit from Cyberlitica. Cyberlitica has bundled their expertise in combating cybercrime, fraud, and info warfare into one solution that scales to any size operation. Are you afraid of a massive breach? Our breach and attack solution detects common and advanced threats before they take down your network. Worried about employees clicking on emails they shouldn't be? Our phishing simulator will tell you exactly who is putting your organization at risk of phishing attacks before the real criminals do damage. Genetic malware analysis sound too complicated for your CISO to handle? Let us identify binary code reuse for you and implement preventative endpoint detection and response to all malware. We also include a dark web monitoring and notification system to alert you within seconds of breaches across the internet and how it relates to your own email. I entered mine and saw a ton of stats, including the breach name, date, domain, and accompanying data also associated with each breach. Scary stuff, but forewarned is forearmed. In addition to the powerful features, Cyber Survival Kit subscribers also have access to strong password analysis, a cybersecurity video training portal, dark web auditing and password search engine, cybersecurity risk score, monthly newsletter and tips, and much more. We're even including my best-selling book, Hacked Again, for your readers. You might be able to get some of these features for free if you search around, but who has the time for that when you're trying to run a startup or large-scale enterprise? Cyber Survival Kit is a one-stop shopping for proactive and predictive solutions to avoid breaches and maintain your customers' faith in your company. Contact us today for a detailed price quotation to meet your organization's needs.